Hey guys,
it's the dumb S's.
Like
for real.
Oh my god. Anyways, it's 8 a.m. and we're getting ready for a hiking trip.
In Ames.
We're getting food ready.
Sandwiches.
Yeah, getting the dogs fed. And guess what? Already. Three accidents.
3 accidents, guys.
Water spilled everywhere on the floor.
Huge water bottle right there was like
the
2 times spilled all over the floor. Look at the floor. And guess what? My dog food for their breakfast spilled everywhere. And guess what? Oh, come here. This is the grand finale.
Sandwiches for breakfast, and guess what?
Yeah, Asian sandwiches, guys. But me.
Bomb.com.
Well, this is burnt.com. So, yeah, we're having a little fiasco this morning.
Someone want to help us with bread?
Yeah, oh yeah, look at the towel. It's like soaking wet from the water.
What's next? Somebody gonna fall off the cliff? Okay, we gotta go clean now.
Yeah, okay, bye guys. We're on the road again. Don't want to be on the road again, but I do because we're going to go hiking. Yeah. And then the dogs are in the back. We have a few kitties behind us. So, kitties. So, I'm a looking janky, but who cares because we're going hiking.
Dangerous driving!
Oh, we're not driving.
I know you lie. Your lips are moving. Baby, do you think I'm dumb?
We are, because we're
actually, we are kind of dumb.